And this oven roasted whole chicken recipe is so delicious. You also can use turkey as well.
For this recipe, I'm starting with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, spices, thyme, tomato sauce.
Mix everything together.
Add the potatoes, onion, and let's put the chicken in the mix. And rub it all around. Inside, I'm going to add a dash of chili powder.
Cover it with parchment paper and foil. Put it in the preheated oven for 400 degrees for about an hour. And then take it out of the oven, uncover 350 degrees for 30 minutes. I'm adding some broth on the chicken. Then I'm going to put it back in the oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, it's all done. You can serve it with a rice, salad, make a sandwich, or serve it alone. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching.